Preparing meals from scratch can be a real hassle. So let me show you how to make your own callaloo pack, so when you're tired or you just want to prepare something really quick, you can do it. First, you have to gather all your ingredients, and you would notice that most of mine are frozen, and that's okay. My pimento, my okras, pumpkin are pre-frozen stuff, and that's okay. You can also do it fresh, but I wanted to use up all my frozen stuff that I had in my fridge. So first I like to remove the stem. You don't have to, I just like to remove it. And then we're going to cut it into smaller pieces. I know somebody is going to say why I'm not removing the skin off of the dashing bush, but I have seen my parents do it forever. I have done it forever, and we are still alive. But if you like to remove your the peels off of your taro leaf or your dashing bush, feel free to do it. Maybe there are actually some types of dashing bush that requires you to remove the skin off of it. I don't know, but as I said, forever I have been doing it this way. Now I had about 6 in these bundles to cut up, but once I had completed, it was even more than my washburn could have held. Now this sometimes stains your hand, not only your hand, it would stain your board, so you want to do it on a wooden board. It even stains your knife. But bleach normally does the trick and removes all the stain. Now I'm going to cut my pumpkin into smaller pieces, and I'm also going to set that aside. Now I'm going with my okras. I'm going to remove the head of it, and we're going to cut this up as well, and we're going to set this aside. Again, if you have fresh okra, go ahead and use them. I had fresh okra, but I wanted to use up my stale okra that I had in the fridge freezing already. The flavor peppers, I like to use lots and lots of flavor pepper. That to me, that's one of the secret ingredients to making a really good callaloo is your flavoring pepper. That's just to me. So we cut up a good bit of that. We're gonna cut up the onions, remove the skin off of the onions. We're gonna cut it up, and we're gonna set it aside. Then we're gonna move on to our garlic. Again, I like plenty garlic. And I like to cut it chunky and not very fine, because I find when you cut it very fine, it kind of lost the flavor. So I like to cut it chunky. Now that we are finished with that, I'm going to go in with my ginger. Some of you don't like ginger in your callaloo, and once again, that's okay. Whatever you like, you prep it and put it in your pack. And I like to go in with mine chunky as well. Now that all our ingredients are prepped, it's time to place them inside of a bag. There is no particular order in which you place them. You're just going to put some of each into each of the bags. I am making 3 bags. I think I mentioned that before. So we would be dividing all of them into 3 parts. So in goes my taro leaves, my pumpkin, my okras, onions, flavor pepper, garlic, and once all of that is inside, I'm going to close the bag and set it aside, and we just repeat it until we have completed the 3 bags. And this is how you make your own callaloo pack. Now you can come home from work, throw this on the fire, put in a coconut milk, just add few spices, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you. Bye.